Hey guys, welcome to Pen Industry. Hope you are doing good. I am Dr. Aishwarya with you for easy learning and better understanding. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos. Today, our topic is on intensifying screen. What is intensifying screen? Intensifying screen intensify the function effect of X-ray on the X-ray film. That is, it is going to intensify, it is going to increase the function effect of X-ray. The X-ray beam effect will be increased on the X-ray film. This work is done by intensifying screen. It is a device used to intensify the phosphoric effect of the X-ray. It is a device used to intensify what? The phosphoric effect of X-ray by shortening the time of exposure. Here what happens? The time of exposure decreases as well as the phosphoric effect. Because of the phosphoric effect, the film is intensified. Okay. X-ray strike emulsion of film. The X-ray is going to strike on the emulsion of the film. The absorption of energy is only 1%. The X-ray which is striking. In here, the absorption of energy is 1%, and you know that 99% of the energy is wasted. As I have told you in the before lecture, screen is smooth. This is the screen. It is smooth plastic sheet coated with minute fluorescent crystals. What are the fluorescent crystals here? These are phosphorus. You can see that this one is the first layer of the screen, front screen, and this is the last layer of the screen, that is back screen. In between there is a presence of screen film, and around this screen film there is a presence of phosphorus. Okay, there is a presence of phosphorus layer. You can see both side phosphorus layer is present. In this there is a phosphorus crystal present. So the screen is smooth plastic sheet. This is the in between the plastic sheet. It is coated on the both side the phosphorus crystal. When X-ray are exposed, when the X-ray exposed, these are the X-ray beams. When it exposed the film, the phosphorus emit. What it is going to emit? It is going to emit the fluorescent light as well as the visible light. Two things it emit. The phosphorus emit two things: the fluorescence as well as the visible light in a blue or green spectrum. In which spectrum? In a blue spectrum and in a green spectrum, according to the condition. The light then expose the film. The light which is coming, the visible light which is coming because of the X-ray beam exposed on the phosphorus, that light expose the film. Did you get it? When the X-ray come, it get to the phosphorus. It comes to the phosphorus. The phosphorus emit visible light as well as the fluorescence. That visible light again hit the film and it exposes the film. You can see this is coming and it is coming on this phosphorus crystal, and phosphorus crystal is emitting the light in blue green spectrum. Same thing is happening here, and when this light comes in the last phosphorus layer, it also emits the fluorescence as well as the visible light in the opposite direction towards the film. Everything is happening towards the film. The exposure is happening on the film, towards the film. Use of intensifying screen makes the X-ray film 10 to 60 times more sensitive to X-ray than film alone. When we use a film alone, it takes a lot time, but if we are using an intensifying screen, it reduces our time to 10 to 60 times down than film alone. It reduces the exposure time by 12 times. Okay, what it is going to do? It increases. No, sorry. It reduces the exposure time. It reduces exposure time 12 times and reduces the patient radiation. Not only it reduces the time but also the patient radiation closed by 85 to 90% is reduced. What are the composition of the intensifying screen? First one is base. Base of polyester plastic we use that provide mechanical support to the phosphorus layer. The between layer, that is polyester plastic, we use this layer for mechanical support to phosphoric crystals of phosphorus layer. Reflecting layer. In this thin base of magnesium oxide and titanium oxide, between the base and the limiting layer is present. This is the limiting layer, luminescence layer, and this one is the film. So in between them there is a magnesium and titanium oxide layer is present, which reflects the light emitted by the phosphorus layer. What it do? It reflects the light towards the film. Towards the film. As you can see, all the radiations are coming towards the film. So this layer, reflecting layer, do this thing. Phosphorus layer, it contain a light sensitive material in plastic. This is the phosphorus layer. What it contains? Phosphorus crystal. Coat of plastic. Coat of plastic is the protection against what? Against abrasion as well as scratching. The coat of plastic is applied for the abrasion protection and the scratching protection. There are four layers. You can see base, reflecting layer, phosphorus, caustic. Of screen used are slow speed screens, medium speed and high speed. These are the types of screen we use. Now the speed of screen is directly proportional to the size of the phosphorus crystal. The more the phosphorus crystal, the speed will be high. The speed is directly to 1 by clarity of the image. It is used inside the cassette. The film which is going to, the film is there. Here, this is the film and it is placed in the cassette. Okay. This is the cassette on the both side. Cassette is present on the both side of the film. So it is used inside a cassette on both side. It is used in all extraoral radiograph. You have seen many a times the radiograph which are taken outside the body, extraoral. In that place the oral screen, in that place the intensifying screen, the white screen or cassette is used in endodontics. Screen used in intraoral region. In endodontics we use screen but we don't use intensifying screen in the intraoral region. Rare earth screen are 4 times much better than the calcium screen. If the screen is rare earth metal, it is 4 times much better than calcium screen. Film without intensifying screen. The film which is not having the intensifying screen, these films are known as on films. I told you about this intensifying screen. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Pen Dentistry. To know more about me, links are in description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest videos.